What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Terrible Lighting with Zosh. Today's video, I'm going to be documenting all the new things that I got in the mail over the course of like 3 days with all my products that I'm going to be installing on my new setup over here. So this is my current setup. It's kind of dark to see. Hold on, let me see. Oh, that's what I'm gonna order tonight. I need it. Oh, my mom just sent me this. Oh, look at that. I feel like crying. Look what she said. This is my current setup. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I'm gonna go ahead and get this up out of here. Yeah, I don't need to know about this right here. This is my new setup. But I did get some stuff in the mail. I got this right here, which is awesome. I bought this little nifty thing on Amazon. Look at all those prongs, boy. All I needed was one. Plus it only...
I need one too.
Well, sucks to be you, cause I would've loved you. I watched the whole world burn to see you dance. Yes, sir. And I also got my ChatLink Pro. Yep. And I also got this, which I can have more USB inputs. So, nice. Nice. Look at the mic stand though. Look at the mic stand. And right here is my mic arm stand. My mic setup should look something like that once I'm done completing it. I also bought this webcam. I'll link everything down below. I don't have an Amazon affiliate link. I wish I did though. I might sign up for one. I need to get paid. But here we have a webcam. A lot of people say this is really good for the price. I paid like $18 for this. And I got the Govee light strips, which was, I don't know how much this was. But I got this. And I also got the Govee light bars. And we got Luna in the back. Luna! Luna, Luna, Luna. Luna, Luna, Luna. Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
I like that one. That one. Turn off the light.
Look at my Govee lights. Yeah. Oh, turn it on. Last night was a blur. I ended up finishing the setup, but it's the next day, and I'm gonna show you that I can also throw down in the kitchen a little bit. I made me some pancakes, baby, with some cheese, eggs, and some sausage links. It's not all for me though, it's me and baby girl. Yeah, got some groceries. Let me go ahead and start off the beast. Oh man. Y'all don't know about this beast right here, playboys. Y'all don't know about this beast. Yeah. Right now, I am heading to this dude's place to pick up a HD60S Plus capture card for $80. Deals on wheels, baby. Picking that John off for the 80. The capture card I picked up like 2 weeks ago. I can't use it on my Mac. Like, I can use it, but it won't work on OBS Studio, Streamlabs, OBS Studio, whatever. Like, it's not working. It's too old, I guess. It's an HD60, not an HD60S. So I found on Marketplace that some guy was selling an HD60S Plus. So I'm gonna just go pick that up for the cool little 80. He wanted 120, you drop it down to 80, you feel me? Take the 40 off, bruh, and I'm on my way. Let's get it! Damn, whatever happened to Lil Pump?
1985, I arrived.
Zosh MFG gaming setup. The Zosh gaming setup. So here I have everything that I purchased off Amazon. I'll have links all in the description box below. But I think I can remember the prices just off the top of the top unit. This Amcrest webcam was $20. This was this headset stand, $10. This whole boom arm, Gear microphone, pop filter, this entire setup was like $25. This was like $25. The lights, I think the lights were the most expensive thing aside from buying this today. The HD60 capture card, which I have installed over there. I just gotta clean all this stuff up. But the lights, I believe, hold on, I'm gonna show you guys prices, hold on. So I bought the 16-foot lights from Amazon, the Govee joints, and those were $36.99. The desk alone was $125. These were, I believe, $60. The chat link was $20. This was like $15-ish. This was around there. I'll have links to all this stuff in the description box down below in case you want to set up like this one. And it's pretty nice. Like the webcam is really nice. Let's see. I got slobs open, and you know, this is what it's it, dude. This is what's up. So it's already ready to stream, but I'm not ready to stream just yet. But yo, the webcam quality is nice. I'm sure if I can. So look how amazing the quality is of a $20 1080p. I think 60 frames, maybe I think it's 30 frames. 1080p at 30 frames webcam for $18, under $20. It's amazing. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So we're in there, baby. We're ready to stream. But just want to show y'all, this is my setup, man. It came a long way. It's still coming. I gotta install the chat link stuff. But yeah, this is it. This is it, son. First stream shall be done in a couple of days. Well, maybe tomorrow. I'm probably gonna set up my first stream tomorrow. So if you're ain't doing nothing, come through, say what up. Gaming channel down in the description box below. If you're OG to this channel, then you probably already subscribed. But yeah, it's getting there, bro. It's getting there. I'm gonna try to add some type of gameplay at the end of this vlog so I can, you know, show you guys the quality of the streams. Well, even for myself to see how it's gonna look like. So let's see what's good. Buenas noches, putos. It's like 3 o'clock at night. It's 3:22 right now, and I'm over here trying to set up a little test stream to see what's up. I gotta keep it quiet because baby girl got a little work appointment in the morning. You hear me? It's pretty cool that like me and my girlfriend both work from home. Kind of. She's an esthetician, licensed esthetician. She does like facial stuff. Make sure if your face is clapped out from like if you smoke, you have like large pore openings. She clean all that shit out. You feel me? My girl, she the goat at what she do. But we've been playing some Vanguard right now, man. If anybody cheat, I'm gonna contact David Vonderhaar. Bro, I wanna join Optic, bro. Y'all think Optic game? Hey, Optic Hex, what's good, bro? Hey, let Zosh join the team, bro. You know what I mean? It's been a childhood dream of mine to be an Optic member. I used to create little fake Optic accounts. Hey, don't. You did it too. You did it too. Don't look me in my eye and tell me you need to create fake Optic accounts or FaZe accounts. I ain't never wanted to be a part of FaZe. I like Optic, bro. The OG logo, that shit fresh. Damn, nobody playing the game? What's going on, bro? It's about 5 o'clock in China. What? Come on, come get this. Ooh, make the stream like that. I'll bring it down something though. Yeah, there we go. All right. Yeah, I'm sniping. Let me get.
Hope you like a little challenge.
Yeah. Wow. Dawg, they trying me for real though. Yeah. Damn. Alright, let me get one more snipe. Not in the little fake little eyes. Let me get one more snipe. Let me go ahead and get that. Another one down there. Nah, it's gonna come on this side. I like Vanguard though, bro. Oh, alright, let me. Damn, teammate, my bad. I seen him. I might die, but oh, he ain't kill me. He didn't see me then. Oh, teammate scared me. Oh, come on, bruh. Oh, Lord. Oh, okay. Alright, let me end the stream here. We'll get the whole gaming channel popping. This was just a little small commentary, not chopped up and screwed yet like my dog. Damn, teammate! Alright, bro. Let me just go ahead and end this. So, what do you think? The quality looks good. I just edited this entire vlog that you're watching right now, and I'm going back and making final adjustments to the edits. But, I know I have to up the audio on the gameplay itself, so I gotta do that within OBS. But what do you guys think, man? Gaming channel, new ventures, things of that nature. I actually tallied up everything that I spent so far aside from buying the PS5, and my total comes out to be $851 for everything. Everything that I paid for, and it got me all of this. Be sure to have links down in the description box below in case you guys want to, you know, buy a setup. That does not include the price of the PS5, which I paid $650 for. Shout out to the homie J Papas for that. So add $851 plus $650 is around, like, I don't know, $1,400. Actually $1,500, yeah. $851 plus $650, that's $1,500. So also I found my shift knob, so I have to send that out to the guy. I just had it there for decoration, but don't worry, bro, you're getting it. I just couldn't find it for like 3 weeks, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you like eating chocolate chip cookies, or if you like Luna. This is like the sweetest cat ever, bro. I did not think I like cats as much as I do, but I do. Our content, I know you guys been asking for. Actually, I don't know if you guys been asking for. I don't read comments, but it's on the way. Today, when my girl gets back from work, I am going to let her drive the Integra. So expect some not POV, but Integra related content. I still have the 8th gen Civic SI. I haven't posted about that thing in a while, but we're doing a whole fuel system upgrade to that thing in the next day or so. So I got car content on the way. I got food content on the food channel down in the description box below. I got gaming content. I might upload my first video today on the channel. So hey, bro, I'm trying to chase the bag every way possible. So if I'm not active on this channel, I know as hell I'm active on the other 2 channels. So stay subscribed. I'm trying to use money from those channels to fund this channel and fund those channels as well, but more or less fund the channel that make me the bread and the butter. I gotta make merch too, man. Speaking of merch, buy my hat, please. I know you wear hats, bro. Your hairline is receding. If you buy my hat, it might grow back. Oh, yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know. I used to rap P Dollars. Check out my mixtape on SoundCloud. Pull out game week. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like on the video. If you didn't dislike the video, I'll do what you gotta do, but I don't give a fuck. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.